everyone, welcome to my Project Ideas channel. Today we'll learn how we can create a single colored image using OpenCV library in Python. So let us begin. So for this, first of all, you need any code editor or any IDE as per your convenience. After that, you need to install two modules. First one is the OpenCV. So for it, simply type pip install opencv-python, and over here I have already installed it, hence it is showing already installed. After this, you need to install NumPy. So for it, simply type pip install NumPy. And over here as well, I have already installed, and hence it is showing that requirements already satisfied. Now let's move to our code. So this is our code. Over here, what I have done is, first of all, I have imported two modules. First is the NumPy as NP, and the second was the computer vision. Now over here, using this imRead function, we are opening an image using this OpenCV. Over here in this videos folder, I have used this image.png. Over here you can see this is our image and it is in PNG format inside this videos folder. Now after setting this path, you have to edit it as per your path name and image name. Now after this, using resize function, I am resizing it. Again, I am showing the original, the colored image using this .imShow function. After it, I am getting the image height and width. Now I am converting this BGR image to HSV color space using this. Now to obtain the grayscale image of the original image, I am using the CBT color function. Now to set the bounds for the red hue, I am using this array, and this one is the NumPy function for the same. After it, I am creating a mask using the bound sets. The lower and upper will be different. Using this .INRange function. After it, I am performing some operations over here. First one is the bitwise NOT over this mask, and bitwise AND with respect to this image and mask. Again this over here, as I need to change it into the gray color, I have written gray. And using this tag function, I'm converting the one channel grayscale background to a 3-channel image. As you were over here, you can see I have written cross 3 as well. Now to add the foreground and background, I have used this add function. Now to show the gray shaded image, I am using this imShow function. And again, to save the image, I have used this imWrite function. And over here, I have used a wait key. It will wait for a key to be pressed. At last, we are destroying all the windows. Now let us see how exactly it will work. So for it, I'm clicking on run. Yes, over here you can see this one is our colored image and this one is a gray shaded image. So in this way you can get a single colored image. Over here you can see different colors are there like orange, blue, green, yellow and all such. And over here only gray colors is there. So in this way it will work. Thank you.